so today I am going to be making butter slime. So I already made some. Oh jeez. I'll go get it. It's okay. Oh jeez. I'm gonna probably have to it is very messy. I'll tell you that. So it is butter slime, so it is not like normal slime. So it is like very different. Oh jeez. I have to put some red dye in my hand for some reason. Oh jeez, I'm scared. Okay. So my hands now look like they're like painted or something. So it is horrible. They're like horrible. I'll have to put it on my other hand. Man, I'm scared. You don't wanna like, what do you call? Oh my gosh. Just put it right there. So I have a red one and I think I have more. Oh shit. Was I sitting on it here? Yeah, so here it is. Oh jeez, it's dripping on me. Okay, this is horrible right now. I think I'm gonna make it into a blue. I mean a purple. Oh jeez, go get the food coloring. I have to go get in the food coloring because yeah. So yeah, I do. I just do. Put it on my hand. Oh my gosh, it looks so messy right now because my hand, I should have washed my hand before I came out and did this. But whatever, just mix it. It looks horrible. I think I might have to do this over again. But yeah. Probably gonna turn into I have no idea what it's gonna turn into. Never young. Friends keep talking way too much. Give me up. Been around there. Been around there. Okay, wow. This is horrible. Yeah, I'm gonna have to like just dip it in the dip it in the red. Yeah, I'll just do this later, you guys. So you already saw it. So yeah. So you'll just see it after what we're gonna do. So I have so the ingredients you really need you only need like 2, but if you want to add food coloring to it, that's fine. So yeah, let me go. Ew, it just slipped on my brother's one. Yeah, I made his green. Okay, so the ingredients. Yeah, I already made 4 of these. 4. I mean 4. Okay, so you need herbal essence or shampoo, just shampoo. You don't exactly need herbal essence, but just shampoo. Cornstarch. Yeah. You need food coloring. I got red. Well, you don't exactly need food coloring. I just have food coloring. I have blue, red, and green. I also have yellow in the house. Okay, so to start off, you just need a big chunk. I'll just show you this. I'm just gonna take this out. Plate. Okay, so you need a big chunk of this. Not a big. Well, mostly a big. Need some cornstarch. Looks like powdered sugar, but it doesn't really do the same thing. Where's my other spoon? And then you just mix it. I don't know if I'm gonna do it with my hands, guys. Oh geez, which color should I make? I think I'm gonna try purple. I don't have a purple color. Oh geez, it's getting messy. So yeah, I'm gonna try purple. You need like a lot of the cornstarch though. I just have the tiny one, but it's fine. So right now, it usually doesn't turn that color, but because I've done this before and I'm using the same plate, mostly, yeah. It hasn't ran out yet of like the stuff or anything. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. That's my hand. That's my hand. It is so messy. Ew. Oh. Ooh, should I touch this? Ew. It rained yesterday, so yeah, it rained yesterday, so ew. Yeah, it rained yesterday, so like the chair that I'm sitting in is like, ew. Wait, did I just get it on the screen? Oh, oops. I'll wash that off later. Yeah. Please turn into the putty that I want you to right now. Just turn into it. I don't want you to be wet anymore. Wait, what's that? That's probably just a bag. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's the pool, I think. Yeah, I have a pool. Oh my gosh, just do it. Oh my gosh. So I think I need more shampoo. And these are like stuff that you can find like in your house and you just make slime. You don't really find borax in your house though. We don't need borax though. It takes a long time to see. Look at it. I don't know if you could see it, but while I'm doing this, so I'm just gonna. That the reflection? I don't know. You can hear voices. The kids down the street. One of this girl, I think from like up the hill, she called my brother poop once. It was so funny. Oh, it's turning into that thing again. I'm gonna have to put in some shampoo again. I think. Maybe not that much. Oh yeah, I don't need to. I've been making this like for like the whole afternoon. Oh my gosh, elbow now. I'm so messy. I think I'm gonna. Sorry, I have no idea where that came from, but I think I'm gonna have to shower again. I showered this morning, and I think I'm gonna have to shower again just because of this. Like, look at my hands. It's still afternoon, I think. Like, I don't know if they're making dinner, my parents. My mom's down in the basement, mostly. I think that's our basement. Yeah, our basement, and she's running on the treadmill. So it's just, so like, my brother and my dad, they are, inside, just watching TV, I think. Wow, I'm gonna get so messy. I'm not gonna add like that much of the cornstarch anymore. It's starting to get putty. So this stuff, when you make it, it probably will stick. I don't know if it will not stick to your carpet. It does dry out. So if you make it, it does dry out. So I would put it in a bag, like over there. Wait, oh my gosh, my thing is like so messy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wash that or whatever. That's enough. Oh, I think it's finally gonna have it. We've been at the stage for like 10 times. 3, I think. No, it's been 3. Yes! I think we finally just got it into the slime. It takes a while. You know when it turns into the slime, you just have to mix it in. You don't like, once it's like dry and it's not sticking to you, it's like perfect. Wait, did I just like sound like JoJo there? Yeah, when I said perfect, I sound like JoJo Siwa. It's so weird. That's weird. I'm like related to her. Look weird. I'm gonna ask my mom if I can. Oh my gosh, this looks like confetti. Is it me or does that look like confetti? I'm just gonna like mix all the colors. Yeah, I sounded like not Gigi in my class. I just sounded like JoJo Siwa. Yeah, even when I said JoJo Siwa, I was like JoJo Siwa. I'm gonna add blue and add red. You might want to use some gloves. My gloves kind of got like ruined or whatever. I don't know. Please, oh my gosh, just mix it into the purple. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I'm just gonna mix it into it to get the purple. I want the purple one. I don't know if it's gonna work. Please, purple, please work on me. That just sounds weird. Oh, cool, this looks cool. It's like confetti. That just sounded weird. Confetti. Ooh, this looks pretty. Yeah, I need to add more of this and more blue and more. I'm just gonna add the red in right where the blue was. Way too much. Yeah, so my gloves got like ruined over there. See that? Jeez. Stand back up. Yeah, they got like ruined. Was that in the stands? Ew, this was like on my case. That's disgusting. I'm just gonna. Oh my gosh, wait. Ew. Is that like still dripping? That's just weird. Mix it in, mix it in. Okay. They can see your face, Brayden. I think so. Yeah, you're gonna hear kids. Because I'm gonna like bring you over there. Wait, Brayden, just close the door. Okay. See, like over there is kids. Do you see them? Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo this video.
Why?
I think they showed my face. Where did my slime just go? Did I like...
You left it over there. Are you making dinner?
Yep. The slime does not go down there.
You'd be like,
Oh, it's right behind my camera. It's so weird, guys. I just had my slime behind my camera. I didn't even know that. This is weird.